stranger, and I'm hoping that it could be you. Someone just to give my life some danger. Is that something you think you might do? My tired schemes and all routines and everything that I have done before used to help to pass the time, but now they just don't thrill me anymore. So I'm looking for a perfect stranger. It could be you. It could be you.
I've been looking for a perfect stranger. You turned out to be so hard to find. I've been looking for so long in vain. You appeared in my lonely life.
I just need to summon up the courage that it takes to say hello.